Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class first year chapter number 1 complex number. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.2 question number 6 part 1 to 4. That is most important for paper's point of view. So let's start. Question number 6. If z is equal to 3 minus 2 iota, then verify the following. Part 1 z double conjugate is equal to z. Part 2 z plus z conjugate is equal to 2 real of z. Part 3 z minus z conjugate is equal to 2 iota imaginary of z. Part 4 z conjugate is equal to mod of z whole square. So let's start part 1. Z double conjugate is equal to z. Since z is equal to 3 minus 2 iota given, taking conjugate on both sides, so z conjugate is equal to 3 minus 2 iota whole conjugate. 3 minus 2 iota whole conjugate can also be written in the form of 3 plus 2 iota. Again taking conjugate on both sides. So z double conjugate is equal to 3 plus 2 iota whole conjugate. So z double conjugate is equal to conjugate of 3 plus 2 iota can also be written in the form of 3 minus 2 iota, which is equal to 3 minus 2 iota is equal to z. So z double conjugate is equal to z, hence proved. Next, part number 2. Z plus Z conjugate is equal to 2 real of Z. Left hand side is equal to z plus z conjugate. So z is equal to 3 minus 2 iota. Taking conjugate on both sides. So z conjugate is equal to 3 minus 2 iota whole conjugate. So z conjugate is equal to 3 plus 2 iota. So z plus z conjugate is equal to, first z, value of z is equal to 3 minus 2 iota plus z conjugate is equal to 3 plus 2 iota. Plus 2 iota minus 2 iota cancel. So z plus z conjugate is equal to 3 plus 3 6. Z plus z conjugate is equal to 6. So z plus z conjugate is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to z plus z conjugate is equal to 2 real of z. So real part of z is equal to 3. Real of z equal to 3. So it can also be written in the form of real of z. It means 3 is the real part. So to real of Z, hence proved. Next part. Next part number 3, Z minus Z conjugate is equal to iota imaginary of Z. I am in imaginary of Z, taking left hand side. Z minus Z conjugate, so Z is equal to 3 minus 2 iota. Taking conjugate on both sides. So Z conjugate is equal to 3 minus 2 iota whole conjugate. Z conjugate is equal to 3 plus 2 iota. So next, Z minus Z conjugate is equal to 3 minus 2 iota. Z equal to minus Z conjugate is equal to 3 plus 2 iota. So which is equal to 3 minus 2 iota minus plus minus 3 minus plus minus 2 iota plus 3 minus 3 cancel, which is equal to minus 2 iota minus 2 iota minus 4 iota. So Z minus Z conjugate is equal to minus 4 iota. Z minus Z conjugate is equal to 2 into minus 2 iota into minus 2. So imaginary of Z is equal to minus 2 iota. Prove that is equal to 2 iota into imaginary of Z. So imaginary is equal to minus 2 iota. Real part is 3 and imaginary part is minus 2. So this form can also be written 2 iota imaginary of Z. So Z minus Z conjugate is equal to 2 iota imaginary of Z. Hence proved. Next, part number 4. Part number 4, that is Z conjugate is equal to Z mod whole square. Z conjugate is equal to Z mod whole square. Left hand side is equal to Z conjugate. So Z is equal to 3 minus 2 iota. Taking conjugate on both sides. So Z conjugate is equal to 3 minus 2 iota whole conjugate. Z conjugate is equal to 3 plus 2 iota. So next, Z conjugate is equal to value of Z 3 minus 2 iota into 3 plus 2 iota. Z is equal to 3 minus 2 iota and Z conjugate is equal to 3 plus 2 iota. 3 minus 2 iota, 3 plus 2 iota can also be written in the form of 3 square minus 2 iota whole square, which is equal to 3 square is equal to 9 minus 2 square iota square. So 9 minus 2 to the 4 iota square is equal to minus 1, which is equal to 9 minus multiply minus plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 4 13. So Z conjugate is equal to 13. Equation number 1. Next, right hand side is equal to z conjugate z mod whole square. So z is equal to 3 minus 2 iota. Mod of z is equal to 3 minus 2 iota whole mod form, which is equal to 3 square plus into minus 2 whole square is equal to 3 square is equal to 9 plus minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. So 9 plus 4 13. Z mod is equal to under root of 13. Z mod whole square is equal to z mod dot z mod. So which is equal to under root of 13 which is equal to under root of 13 whole square. So square root cancel, which is equal to 13. Z mod whole square is equal to 13. Question number 2 from 1 and 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.